guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we are making 20-minute chocolate chip cookies. So if you're anything like me and you have a sweet tooth and you want something sweet or like a healthy sweet treat, if you have all these ingredients on hand, this is a super easy recipe to make with kids or on your own, however you want to do it. It's also a great item to bring to like a cookout or something like that with summer coming around the corner. To start, we have half a cup of creamy almond butter. Just going to put this in my mixing bowl. Next up, I have half a cup of pure maple syrup. So this is going in. Mix that in there. I have half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 3/4 cup of whole oats, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of oat flour, and half a cup of dairy-free dark chocolate chips. That's all we're going to need in this one. So we're just going to mix this together. Make sure you get that almond butter really mixed in well. That's going to be the hardest thing. You just kind of have to spread it out to make sure you don't have any major clumps. So once you have this fully mixed and really well combined, then you're ready to put it on a baking sheet. And if you haven't already, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we will shape these into little cookies and get those in the oven. Okay, so I'm going to use a little mini ice cream scooper. So it's about a tablespoon, maybe 2 in the size. And I'm just going to spread them out evenly on my parchment paper. And if you don't have parchment paper, you can simply spray your pan or wipe it down with some coconut oil and put them down on that. Now, once you have them all on your baking sheet, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Our cookies are done. They just came out of the oven. This took about 10, maybe 11 minutes total. As you'll see, they're kind of crispy on the outside, but they're going to be super soft on the inside, and they will continue to harden as they cool. So make sure you let them cool completely before serving. But this is it. Super easy. Should be 20 minutes or less to make these at home. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope your kids enjoy them if you're sharing them with others. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I will see you next time.